talking about the romantic and comedy drama, ethical experience of fight and experience is very well talented actors. The Shaheen Siddique sir and Asghar Sawdani is very talented actor, multi-talented actor. This is very excellent movie. All good response and it's very shiny movie. And Shakti Agarwal and Shravana is very talented actress. It's very good movie for all.
Shakti Agarwal alle Sakshi
Agarwal. This movie is talking about the romantic comedy dramas. There's very excellent performance of the performance. Shaheen Siddique and the performance is very great. Shiny performance. Talented performance. Shaheen Siddique sir is one of the son of the Siddique sir. Siddique sir is son. Shaheen Siddique.
Son of the Siddique.
Shaheen Siddique sir father is Siddique sir. Siddique sir the experience with talented with him. Like Siddique sir the Magaranu Shaheen Siddique talented. The father of the Shaheen Siddique is Siddique sir. Siddique sir the performance value it's also get the son Shaheen Siddique sir material actor, the third actor. Through all type of movies after the Christopher, his performance is very extraordinary performance. After so many years, the Shaheen Siddique sir is become Tavino image. Tavino Chakpachan image was getting soon. That's image getting with Shaheen Siddique sir. His fan base is very more high now.